Hello, kids! I'm Captain AHS. Ready to turn your hands into sculpting superpowers? Let's roll, shape, and mold some clay into cool creations and watch your ideas come to life.
Suleman. What's that? Did you order something fun?
I don't know, Saro. It just got delivered. Let's open it and find out.
Whoa! Look at all these colors.
Looks like clay. But I think it's not just ordinary clay. Maybe it's magic clay.
Magic? What can we do with it?
Anything we imagine. You can shape it into animals, flowers, or even something totally silly. Saro, let's start with something simple. To mold clay, you first need to learn the basics.
Like what?
See how soft the clay is, Saro? That's the best part about molding clay. It's squishy and easy to shape.
Why does it feel like this?
Well, clay is special because it's made to be flexible. You can stretch it, press it, roll it, or flatten it. It's like giving your hands a workout while making something fun.
It's so soft. But why do people use clay?
Good question. Clay has been used for a long time. People use it to create sculptures, pots, and even decorations. For us, it's a way to get creative and make things we imagine.
So it's not just for fun, it can be useful too.
Exactly. And the best part? If you don't like what you've made, you just squish it and start over. Another cool thing about molding clay is how it listens to your hands. If you press it gently, it changes shape slowly. But if you press it hard, it bends quickly.
Wow, it's like the clay knows what I want it to do.
Exactly. It's like turning your ideas into real, touchable things. You can make things big, small, smooth, or even bumpy.
Colors too?
Of course. Mixing colors is like blending paint. It's another way clay helps bring ideas to life. That's why it's used in art and crafts. It's perfect for trying new ideas.
So clay is kind of like magic. It can turn into anything you imagine, and you can change it anytime you want.
That's right, Saro. With clay, there's no wrong way to mold. Just let your hands and imagination do the work.
Now it's the time for quiz. What should you do first when you start molding clay? Option A. Knead and soften the clay with your hands. Option B. Put the clay directly in the oven. Option A is correct. Clay needs to be soft and easy to shape before you can mold it into a form. Which picture shows someone making a ball out of clay? Option A, cutting the clay into pieces. Option B, awing clay into a round shape. A ball is round and smooth with no edges. Excellent. Option B shows a picture of someone rolling clay into a round shape. Which picture shows a clay animal with legs and ears? Option A, a clay bunny with long ears. Option B, a clay pot. Good job! Option A is correct. You can make a snake shape by rolling clay into a long, thin piece. Is this statement true or false? Think about how you can roll the clay with your hands to make it long and thin. Perfect! This statement is true. Clay is only used for making flat shapes. Is this statement true or false? This statement is false. Clay is used to make both flat shapes and 3D sculptures. Good job, kids! Next time, we'll be turning clay into awesome shapes. Stay tuned for more creative fun. Until then, keep shaping your world and finding new ways to play with clay. See you soon on our next adventure.